Here we have the Purchase Journal Excel template that creates purchase journal lines in Dynamics Financials, all without leaving Excel. The template speeds up data entry by using drop-down options for lookup fields. Data validation boxes pull data from Excel tables linked to Dynamics Financials pages. To run the map, click the 365 BE Templates tab in the ribbon and click the Run Map button. The message states the gen posting type for the customer row is invalid. Change the posting type and rerun. After fixing the error, the map runs successfully. Both map runs are recorded in the table on the Map Run Log tab. The Map Run Log gives a timestamp and the raw XML message returned from the web server. Now that we've seen how easy it is to use, let's show how easy it is to get set up. All the setup for the templates takes place on the Smart Connect Config tab in the External Connection settings. We need to fill out the Smart Connect web service, the domain username, the nav company name, and the full computer name and port fields. Let's show where we can find each field, starting from the top. The Smart Connect web service and domain username fields can be found in Smart Connect on the Setup tab. From within Smart Connect, click the Setup tab, then the Setup cogwheel. Select the Web Service tab to find the web service URL and domain username. The company name is found in many different places within Dynamics Financials, such as the company's page as shown here. Be sure to use the name field and not the display name field. The full computer name and port come from the Web Services page in Dynamics Financials. We only need the first part of the URL up through the port number, so any row will work. In my system, I'll use eone-sandbox.financials.dynamics.com:7048. We need a username and web access key to download tables of data from Dynamics Financials. From the Users page, select a user with enough permission to download data. We need the username field and the web service access key when we refresh tables initially from Excel. With updated connection settings, click the Refresh Data Tables button and click OK through the message boxes. You will be prompted for credentials if this is the first time using a template. Select Basic as the authentication type and enter the username from the Users page in Dynamics Financials. Paste in the web service access key for the password. Every dropdown that is populated from these tables are automatically updated as soon as the download is complete. That completes setup and we can start using the template. These are the basics to using the template, but there are many options that can be customized. In our advanced template video, we will show how to add additional Dynamics Financials data tables and customize the main data entry worksheet.
To learn more about Smart Connect and your integration options, go to eOneSolutions.com, where you can take a product tour, start a trial, and see more integration templates.